Today, we're diving into the psychology behind attraction and exploring how to make a woman genuinely captivated by you. While you may have heard that making a woman feel good about herself is key, there's more to it than that. If making someone feel good were enough, why do so many nice guys struggle? The answer lies in understanding deeper aspects of female psychology. To truly capture a woman's interest, you need to create a range of emotions, not just constant positivity. Think of it like a roller coaster. If it had only highs, it would get boring quickly. A thrilling ride has both ups and downs to keep people engaged, and emotions work the same way. Women often crave that dynamic emotional range. This is part of why so many enjoy dramas and complex relationships. Imagine the emotional pull in cases where someone stays with a partner despite constant ups and downs. It's often the roller coaster of emotions, the unpredictability, that keeps them hooked. When you can make a woman experience this range, moments of joy, excitement, and even a bit of tension, you can create a lasting attraction. Here's the difference between a friend and a romantic partner. A lover stirs emotions. If you want to stand out, you'll need to keep things intriguing. Keep her guessing and wondering about your next move. This doesn't mean being disrespectful or hurtful. It's about creating mystery and drama in a balanced way. The key to holding her attention is to be a bit unpredictable. It's okay to disagree, have occasional arguments, or let her wonder about your thoughts. Some men fear that showing anything but positivity will drive her away, but the opposite is often true. For example, if you're honest about your thoughts or even make her tear up occasionally and then reconcile with understanding and care, it strengthens your connection. Here's a quick tip. Don't reveal everything. If she doesn't know exactly where she stands with you, she'll naturally be more curious about you. Resist the urge to fully express your feelings until you're truly ready for a committed relationship. Instead, keep a bit of mystery. Show interest, but don't make her your sole focus. Keep her guessing, and she'll keep wanting to know more. For instance, if she's used to talking to you every day, try being less available for a few days. Don't explain why. Just keep it light and change the topic if she asks. A little distance now and then creates intrigue and tension, which are both important for keeping things exciting. Many guys worry that this might make her forget them or move on, but it often has the opposite effect. Women are drawn to trying to understand someone who doesn't lay all his cards on the table. Remember, being consistently nice doesn't always leave a lasting impression. Women often want variety. They enjoy being challenged, laughing, and having those heartfelt moments. So, mix things up. Show attention and pull back occasionally. Be direct sometimes and a bit reserved at other times. The aim is to keep her guessing. As long as she's intrigued, you'll stay on her mind. Imagine this scenario. You ask her about her job. She says she's a nurse. Instead of showering her with praise, you could lightly tease her by saying she seems more like a teacher to you. This shows confidence and that you're not easily impressed. Treat her like a friend, giving genuine reactions without overdoing it. Don't just agree with everything she says. Gently challenge her, which keeps the interaction dynamic and interesting. In the end, creating a full range of emotions is key to sparking and keeping her interest. Remember, this isn't about manipulating feelings, but about understanding attraction. Use these insights wisely and keep things exciting. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more insights on leveling up your life.